Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the order of songs in a Spotify playlist. So normally it puts them in oldest to newest from top to bottom, but I'll show you how to change that order up. So first go to Spotify and then go to the playlist that you want to change up. So I'll choose my main playlist right here. And once you choose it, you're going to want to click on the three dots next to the add a person icon. It's also to the right of the download icon. Once you click on that, this page will come up. Then you're going to want to click on edit. It should be the third option down. Once you click on edit, on the song that you want to move, you have to grab the three bars all the way to the right. If you can grab it, then you can move the song around to wherever you want. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will see you guys next time.